back to the next tutorials, and we have to continue our next topic with the same project. So as you can see, we have completed the waste pipe and swale pipe for this office building, ground floor as well as first floor. So yesterday we have completed the waste piping connection SLD drawing for the gents toilet ground floor, and as you can see, this is the first floor we have completed, and this is the ground floor. Now we have to place the manhole and gully trap, so that we have to connect this soil pipe and waste pipe. So let's create the gully trap and inspection chamber. So for this we have to create one layer, type LA, click on new, create IC inspection chamber and gully trap. Just select one color. Here I am going to select this color, red. Okay, simply click OK, and then double click to make in current layer. Okay, now create one manhole. Just go to the property and change the line type from here. Okay, make it by layer, and then type REC rectangle, then de-enter 1000 by 1000, then offset 150 inside. Okay, and then REC 650 RECD 650 by 650. Just select and change the color from here. Offset inside 150. Okay, simply hatch this, type H, enter. Okay, and change the hatch scale, so make it 200 or make it 500, enter, close. Okay, create one more layer for the text. So type LA and write it here text, and simply change the color of the text. Select void, double click, close. Then do the text setting. So type D and create new, and here write text 1. Okay, and select the extender, click continue, and do here some settings. So arrow size is 80 mm, and here text is extender, and text height is 120 click OK, set current and close. And type SD for text style, and you can select from here Arial narrow, and height is 120. Apply, set current and close. Simply check the height how much it is. So go to the property. This is too much, 3000 something. Again go to the dimension setting, modify text, and height is 100. Set current, close. And right here IC, simply select this, go to the property and change the height from here. So make it to 120, enter. Simply move down and place it here. Okay, inside the inspection chamber, and simply copy this. Simply edit this, type GT gully trap. Okay, so this is your gully trap and this is inspection chamber. Okay, simply create this block. So Control Shift C, simply select, Control Shift C, then Control Shift V, just to make it this in block. Simply use H command and change the H scale from here, make it 500, enter, close. Now select this, Control Shift C, Control Shift V. Okay, simply erase this. Okay, now select this, now again hatch this one. Now select this, Control Shift C, Control Shift V, just to make it in block. Okay, now you have to place this manhole. Okay, so I am going to place this. Simply move this one and place it here. Again move. Okay, place it here. So you have to place the manhole in front of the soil pipe everywhere. Wherever the bend is coming, you have to place one manhole. Okay, so I am going to place one here and simply copy this. Here one. Okay, now Simply select this soil pipe, make it in current layer, and simply from this riser it will go to this manhole. Okay, and from the manhole it will goes to this manhole. Okay, and from this manhole it will goes to the septic tank. Okay, so this is you have to change this. Go to the properties and simply change it to 100. Line width and color you also change. Take this color because this is the main line, just showing the single line. In the single line as per the actual practice, so you have to show little bit bold. Okay, so this is your soil pipe, and simply connect this also from here up to this manhole. Okay, now move this gully trap. Copy this. Okay, now connect this waste pipe. This waste pipe will connect to the gully trap first, then it will connect to this manhole. So from here you have to connect this pipe to this manhole gully trap, and from the gully trap it will connect to this manhole. Okay, like this. Use match command just to match this, and select this and change the color. The waste pipe, and simply select this, go to the properties and make it 100. Simply use match command to match this line. Select source object and destination object. Make it 80 mm. Use match command, type MA. Okay, simply match this. Similarly, you have to connect this also. Like this. Okay, so this is your ground floor and your pipe. Okay, now create here one gully trap, septic tank. So simply type REC. This is your septic tank, and select this. Go to the properties. Match this. Okay, so this is your septic tank. This pipe will goes and connect to the septic tank. Simply change the color. Select this, go to this inspection chamber, and now select and change the color from here. Okay, so this is your septic tank. Simply extend and connect this. Change the width, make it as 50. It's looking too bold. Also change the thickness of this oil pipe, make it 50 only. Use match command to match this. Okay, and simply write the text. So go to this text here and write the text here. Septic tank. Select this text and go to the properties and change the text here. Make it 200. So this is your septic tank. So I hope you guys learn how to create this manhole and gully trap, and how to connect this waste pipe and soil pipe to the septic tank. So in the next class we will calculate the septic tank size. We will design the septic tank size. Okay. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.